So this is kind of abstract in that I'm doing a yellow base. I'm not making it actually look like a garden, but I have my flower pot and a watering can and raindrops. So yeah, I am having these. I thought about having the watering can be like pouring from above, but I have actually two watering cans. So I'm doing a different design where I'm going to do the watering can from above with that design. So I decided with this one to just have it sit on the ground and then have the raindrops all fall from the top. So just make sure, just want to get all those little divots filled. So relatively simple. In the big scheme of things, now my raindrops will stay straight. Some of them got a little twisted, so they're not all going to be perfectly straight anyways, but once I start pouring soap on top of these, they like to rotate and twist and turn. And like I said already, some of these are just a little not quite perfectly straight. Abstract. That's what I keep telling myself. We're going with abstract. Should I put one over here? Yeah, I'll put one over there. And I did the yellow because the yellow is just, one, I already have a bunch of designs with a blue sky. And again, abstract. But the yellow is bright and cheery. It's a little, I should have added a tad bit more titanium dioxide to lighten it just a tad, but that's okay. It is, like I said, bright and cheery and just makes me think of spring. Which, it's only January. These videos will not air in January. They will probably air in March or April, so you will be getting this soap when it's actually spring, but I'm making it when it's not spring, when it's cold and dreary out. Oh, this raindrop is really twisted. And where I'm wishing for spring to be here with its warmer weather. Though spring in New England is short. Sometimes I'm not sure it comes at all. And generally cool. It is warming up, don't get me wrong, but still relatively cool. And generally rainy. But we get some nice days in here, there. So, anyways, I'm just going to finish putting these in and pouring the rest of this. And then I have some flowers to put on top. And then we'll come back and cut it tomorrow. So stay tuned. I love the yellow. It's so cheery and springy, and it just makes me smile. And let's see what the inside looks like. That's cute. Apparently I had two different tone grays. Didn't realize that. That's okay. The raindrops, I wish I had a few more down there. And I knew some of them are a little twisty, but I was expecting that. The two-tone gray kind of bugs me, but that's perfectionist in me. Like, how did I miss that when I was making the, like, prepping the dough? Oh well, is what it is. It's cute. I said, some of the raindrops are a little sideways. I knew because they were getting a little twisted, and I wish I had this a little further down. But it's still cute. And I love the yellow. Like, this hue yellow is probably one of my favorites. It's just bright and cheery. I'll take it. It's fun. Minus my two-tone. Sometimes, Jennifer, I do love the flower pot. I think it just turned out really cute. So, yeah. Another spring soap done. Let me know what you think.